Have you ever noticed that some people's upper chest looks so full and sharp that their body appears completely professional? The real difference comes from the upper chest, which gives the chest a defined cut and V shape. But here's the problem. Building the upper chest is the hardest part. Most people go to the gym doing incline bench press or incline dumbbell press and think it's impossible to train the upper chest at home. Friends, that's not true. There's an amazing bodyweight exercise you can do right at home that directly targets your upper chest, and that is decline push-ups. In this video, you'll learn how to perform decline push-ups correctly, why it directly hits the upper chest, how beginners, intermediates, and advanced lifters can progress with it, and how often you should do it each week to see fast results. Here's how to perform decline push-ups step by step.
Place your feet on an elevated surface like a chair, bed, or sofa. Keep your hands slightly wider than shoulder width on the floor. Your entire body should be in a straight line from head to heels. Slowly lower yourself down until your chest comes close to the floor. Push back up while exhaling. For beginners, keep the feet on a lower surface. For advanced, increase the height of the feet for more challenge. Why it targets the upper chest. Now, why does this exercise hit the upper chest? When you do normal push-ups, most of the tension goes to the middle chest and triceps. But in the decline position, your body angle shifts and the pressing force goes upwards, directly on the area just below the collarbone. Farns, your upper chest starts looking fuller and more defined. The chest cut becomes sharper. Your overall body looks more aesthetic and V-shaped. Here's how you should train. Beginners, 3 sets times 8 to 10 reps. Intermediate, 4 sets times 12 to 15 reps.
Advanced, 5 sets times 15 to 20 reps. Increase the height of your feet. Try pause reps by holding at the bottom for 2 to 3 seconds, or add weight by wearing a knack pack with books inside. With consistency, gradually increase the level. That's the real secret to growth. So friends, if you want to build your upper chest, decline push-ups are the perfect body weight exercise. Gym or no gym, this move works your upper chest just like the incline bench press. If you do it 3 to 4 times a week, you'll start noticing the difference in just a few weeks. Always remember, consistency is the key. Do it regularly, progress step by step, and the results will come naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. And make sure to subscribe, because next time I'll bring another powerful calisthenics exercise that will take your fitness to the next level.